We are looking at a very strong wind event for tomorrow, for December the 17th, Wednesday, and winds could gust up to 90 miles an hour for us in the mountains, maybe even a bit more than that, some localized spots. And the Denver metro area, including especially Boulder and Fort Collins, and the west side of the Denver metro area, could be seeing some peak gusts in the 60 to 80 mile an hour range for Wednesday, and especially Wednesday afternoon. It's going to be ripping wind for us for tomorrow. That is why, and I mentioned this yesterday, Xcel Energy talking about some power shutoffs for especially the west and north sides of the Denver metro area. Check the Xcel outage map, and that'll give you an idea about where you might be looking at some of those power outages. They could be up for 12 hours, and of course, that is to mitigate wildfire risk. There's a high wind warning for most of the foothills and the West Denver metro area and Boulder and Fort Collins. That does not include downtown Denver, to be clear, but this is for the west side of the metro area. The worst of the wind will be during the day on Wednesday in the mountains. A little later in the day in the Denver area. I mentioned this yesterday. Looking like now between about noon and about 9 p.m. will be the worst of the wind for most of the I-25 corridor, Boulder, Fort Collins, as well as down through Denver, and then those winds will relax a little bit as we get into Thursday morning. Still windy, but not as bad as what we're looking at here on Wednesday. So again, all eyes on this high wind event for us on Wednesday, December the 17th.